Hey yo, it's Crypto here. Sorry about the last few days. I know I said I was going to do an everyday upload, but I ended up going out of town for business purposes, and I'm actually going to be going out of town on the 20th as well, and I'll be gone for a week. So just want to let you guys know that I'm not going to be gone forever. It's just a couple little um, trips that I had to take, and I will have to take. But in between and afterwards, I will be doing the everyday uploads, so don't worry about that. But let's get into the video. This is going to be my top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges. This is going to be for trading Bitcoin, for Litecoin, for Ethereum, and for pretty much every altcoin out there. These are going to be the best exchanges and my favorite exchanges to use and to trade and make some good profit. So let's go ahead and get started. My number 5 is going to be Coinbase. Now, Coinbase, everybody pretty much knows about. This is how you get your fiat into Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum. This is how most people do it. You can do it on GDAX, and there's lower fees and such, but Coinbase is personally my favorite just because I trust it so much. It's been around so long. It's been around pretty much since the start. I remember when it literally was created. I think it was created like in 2013 or 14. That's when people were using even other websites, mostly Mt. Gox and few other websites that just aren't around anymore. So yeah, Coinbase, you can only buy 3 different coins right now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So that is the biggest downside. The biggest con is that limited range of altcoins. There's only 3, but it is great because you can just go ahead and buy with a debit card or a bank account. There's going to be a waiting period with the bank account, but the debit or credit card is just going to go immediately. So it's great if you need to get some fiat into Bitcoin immediately and you don't want to go to an ATM or you don't want to go to a different website. So next we've got my number 4, and that's Bitfinex. Now I actually don't use Bitfinex very much, as you can tell. I've only got 0.08 Bitcoin in here. It's just like it's a great website and I love the layout. Actually, it's got one of the best trading layouts with this integration from TradingView, which I love. I just love the TradingView integration. I mean, it's got the best charts out there. So that's going to be the biggest pro. Biggest con is probably the limited number of coins. You can see that there's only about, let's see, 20 coins in here. You can fund with pretty much any other coin. And you can also do a few other things. I think, yeah, I mean, you've got some smaller stuff like Qtum. Things like ETP is one that's only on here. IOTA, EOS, stuff like that. There's definitely some coins that you're just not going to find anywhere else, and this is going to be the best site to trade them. So if you want to get into ETP, if you want to get into IOTA or EOS or Stream or something like that, BTG, this is a great site to go to. But it's not my top. So next we've got number 3, and that's gonna be Poloniex. I would probably flip these. I'd probably put Bitfinex above Poloniex just because Poloniex has been going downhill recently. This is one that it used to be so trusted. It used to be such a great site, but the whole ordeal where they weren't responding to support tickets and they had withdrawal requests that were processing for like 3 months with certain coins, it just really lost a lot of validity that this website used to just have. But the great thing about it is you can trade with these different pairs. You can trade against Bitcoin. You can trade a lot of coins against Bitcoin. You can trade a lot of coins against Ethereum and Monero, which is something you really don't see. And it also has a US dollar tether. So that's great. But I do like how it does have a pretty solid variety compared to most websites. So next we got number 2. This is going to be my kind of recent favorite, and that's going to be Binance. Now you've probably heard of me talking about Binance just from my videos on it, or how to make money with Binance, which is you just refer your friends and you get some commission. Check out the link in the description if you want a safe link to Binance. You can click on my link and then you can go and refer your friends, or you can just use it to trade, which is what most people do. Binance is great for getting a lot of coins that you're just not going to find anywhere else. Coins like ADA, what else is on here? BQX, keep going, ENJ, DNT, EOS, which was only on Bitfinex before this. You can buy and sell your gas here from your Neo, which is really, really important if you're using it as like a dividend system. Maybe you're selling your gas like once a month or once a year or something. You can get KMD on here, which isn't that great, it's great, but you can get it on other websites as well. HSR is one that was looking really good and really blew up recently. Mod is awesome. Power, QTUM, Salt, but I think you can get that on Bittrex now. TRX, BNB. I'm sorry, I'm not going to list all these out. But yeah, just some great looking coins that you can definitely get into. And then let's just go ahead and switch over to the number one, which is going to be obviously Bittrex. You guys know my favorite market is Bittrex. It's just got such a variety of coins. Look at this. Look at all these coins that you can trade. You can't compete with that kind of variety. You could go to Cryptopia, but Cryptopia just has too little volume. Bittrex is one that's it's competing with top volume exchanges. It's got the variety. It's got the support. Wallets really aren't down that often. It looks like they're always down, but it's normally wallets that don't really use. It's normally like smaller stuff that's being delisted if you're ever having problems. So yeah, and I like its simplicity because you can go to HMQ, just scroll down. I don't think I have any HMQ, but scroll down, click max, buy as much as you want, and just click sell or buy. And you're good. It's not some complicated or convoluted website. The charts are really simple. This is just great for starting out because everything is just super intuitive. It's not really like Cryptopia with the orders. Binance, the limit, the markets and the stop limits can be kind of confusing, but with Bittrex it's just your standard limit order is default and you just click buy and you're good and you bought some coins. So I'd recommend Bittrex personally as my number one if you're definitely getting into crypto, or if you're early getting into crypto, or you kind of just got started. But Binance is definitely the best for rewards and best for those smaller coins that have a chance of kind of blowing up. Poloniex is best if you're trading against something like Ethereum or Tether, I'd say, and it's got some quick charts. Bitfinex has the best charts. It's great if you're trying to get EOS or IOTA or ETP. And finally, Coinbase is the best for if you're just trying to get some Bitcoin. You don't want to trade altcoins. You just either want to get into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, and you just don't want to throw cash in now and kind of see where it goes. Or maybe it's not great for quick trading because it does go down during times of like heavy movement. So that's all I've got to say. Those are my top 5 exchanges that you should look into or make an account on. I've got an account on all 5 of them actually. I've got an account on even more exchanges just because of I got to stay up to date with all the different coins, all the different exchanges, what things are trading at, and you probably should too. I would at least make an account on definitely Bittrex, Binance, and Coinbase. So definitely check all those out. I'll put a link to Binance in the description, and the rest just go to like Bittrex.com, Poloniex.com, Bitfinex.com, Coinbase.com. So thank you again for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like it if you like this video, if this helped you out, helped you find some new exchanges that you haven't really seen yet. If you've already seen this and you know about all the exchanges, leave a like anyway, just to support the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Go to @OracleOfCrypto on Twitter if you'd like to follow my tweets. Finally, go to the first link in the description, which is the link to the blockchain education program, which is a fully comprehensive trading program that'll teach you how to trade. There's training videos. We've got full-time technical analysis from Jonathan Regan, as well as our employees that we're bringing on that are going to be doing calls, that are making people tons of money already. And I'm telling you, it's some good shit to get into. So again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to have a good week trading. This has been the Crypto Oracle.